After 2 weeks of adventures, traveling on my motorbike from Hanoi all the way down south to Hoi-An, as you could follow me in the previous videos, the last day of the trip has finally arrived. In Hoi-An, I woke up late today because nothing too important to do, just to go to Danang, look around Danang a little bit. Here I slept on the floor because the bed was shit, but I knew that already. And we came to pick up this mattress for me for tonight, and let's hope this is okay. So I follow him to his hotel here in Hoi-An. That's it. Get up, get something to eat, go to Danang. The trip is basically over. There's not much to do in Danang. Just take the train from there, go back home. This is the Danang beach, Danang beach, and well, the weather is not amazing, but it's not too bad. Actually, it looks better than it used to look when I was here last time. They filled it up with sand. Yep. This year sure is nice. It's bad to be a resident of Hoi-An and go for a run, breathe the fresh air. Okay, but for me it's time to go. Almost the whole way is being built from Danang to Hoi-An with a lot of resorts, but let's check one of the side roads leading to the beach, and let's see what the beach looks like in this area. Yeah, so this part seems like has not been touched by big resorts. That's only because there is a village here that was here before. Yeah, so very nice, but who knows, when the beaches run out for the big resorts, they might buy out the whole village, evacuate it, and build another resort here. I won't be surprised. If there is any open area on the beach or close to the beach, there won't be anymore. Just wait 5 more years and there won't be anymore. All this is due for development already. So they put a barrier and they're going to develop. When I say develop, I don't really mean develop. It's actually destruction. I don't know what is this Tonkin land, but they got their share of a beach. They were able to put their hand in real estate here. By the way, the weather is pretty shitty to drive. That's the worst drive I've done since I began the trip. Between the resorts on this side, whoops, and the other side, and the ones that are going to be built here, there is still a beach that open to the public to view. Let's hope that they don't close all the beaches to the public when the resorts are being erected. And then of course the beaches of Danang that are, yeah, they're simply amazing. Just a shame that the weather is like this, but yeah, that's pretty nice. Danang, definitely a city I wouldn't mind moving to. It's actually quite a shame that out of the 3 times I arrived in Danang, 2 of them were shitty weather. Only 1 time was beautiful, that was September. So I guess the winter time is not a good time to arrive here. Although finally it stopped raining, we're just sitting in a cloud. And who knows, maybe later it might even clear up. So I'll go check out the train station, and after that I will figure out what to do. The train ticket. Leaving to Hanoi today at 2:50 a.m. and the motorbike will arrive tomorrow. That's pretty good. Arrive the same day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Okay, so I have 2 hours in Danang. I wish I had more, but if I had taken the train tomorrow, that would have meant that I would have had to send the motorbike by 5 o'clock today, and I would have been stuck anyway. So I took the train for today, early, in 2 hours. I tried to lift the drone, take some shots here. I really like Danang. It's got a really nice feeling to it, really nice vibe. Not so crowded, feels a lot more western, really nice, not polluted, open spaces, the beach is close, really nice city. I really wish I would come and live here one day. So let's take advantage of the little time I have here, and they want me to come back by 2 o'clock, even though my train is at 3 o'clock, to keep the motorbike. So I try to do the best with the time I have here. Actually counting down the minutes of how much time I have left here in Danang. Beautiful Danang. And I really don't want to leave. Seriously. But hey, look at that. Look how nice this is. So I'm flying the drone a little bit more and I'll be on the train leaving. And that's a mistake. Maybe I should have done everything the same tomorrow and stay here another day. Actually, I probably should have. done here. Yep. Bye bye Danang. Should have stayed a little bit longer. Hopefully I'll come back. So they're packing my motorbike. 860,000. And it's actually almost more than the motorbike is worth. And it's certainly very nice all this way. And that's it. Finish the trip. Okay, so the train experience. This is my cabin. There's a guy up there. This is where I'll be sleeping. And let's go look for the toilet. That's it. Not too bad. Okay, so we leave 3 o'clock and actually I'll be staying here until 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow morning. So it's about 17 hours more or less, something like this. Okay, 19 hours maybe. Things Japanese people do is they have no regard to anybody else. They will listen to them phone or whatever with the high volume and don't give a shit about anybody else, no matter what you tell them. No regard to nobody else. And we have arrived. Hanoi, back to Hanoi.